The Canon EOS Rebel T100 bundle is perfect for beginners, offering an 18 to 55mm lens and a 64GB memory card to get started with DSLR photography. Equipped with an 18.0 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and DIGIC 4 Plus image processor, this camera ensures high-quality photos and full HD video recording at 29.97 frames per second. The bundle includes essential accessories such as a 58mm UV filter, a 58mm tulip hood, and a Gripster tripod, making it highly convenient for versatile photography needs. With a 9-point autofocus system and up to 3 frames per second shooting capability, capturing fast-moving subjects becomes a breeze. The Canon EOS Rebel T100 features Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing users to transfer photos and movies to their smart devices effortlessly for easy sharing on social media. The camera's Scene Intelligent Auto Mode and Canon's Photo Companion app provide guided assistance, making it easier for users to capture stunning images with minimal effort.